สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today let's make แกงมัสมั่นไก่ or chicken massaman curry. Before we proceed, give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. Alright. This recipe is for 2 to 3 person. The full recipe will be in the description box below. This is a Thai style curry and it's originated from the south. And the south is really close to Malaysia, so that's why the food got influenced too. Let's take a look at our ingredients. I have my coconut cream, chicken, potato, Massaman curry paste. I got this from the market, white onion, roasted peanuts, tamarind juice, fish sauce, and palm sugar. For our Massaman curry, I really recommend this part of the chicken thigh. So when you get your chicken, you want to clean this well, get rid of all the blood and also the extra fats bits. So the chicken thigh, I just cut it into two. This works really well. This is the size of my potato. It's all peeled and clean, ready to be cut. For the size of each chunks, it's all up to your liking. I'm cutting this diagonally. Here is my onion. I'm going to dice this into big cubes, so 3 part and half. Tear up your onion to make it easier in the pot later on. On a low heat, I put in my coconut cream and give this a stir. Stir until the oil from the coconut cream separates. Whatever you do, don't stop stirring because your coconut cream might burn. You want to keep an eye on this. Stir until the oil separates. I find that stirring like this is the best way. This is what I meant when I said the oil will separate. So now that our coconut cream is looking like this, add in our Massaman curry paste that we blended. Stir this well until the two is well combined. Stir this well until your whole house smells like curry. Reduces the heat and add your seasoning. So I have my tamarind juice, palm sugar, and fish sauce. You may add the chicken stock powder if you like. And then your chicken is next. Submerge all your chicken and add some water. This should be done on medium heat. Depending on the size of your chicken, check it from time to time until it's cooked. When our chicken is about 80% done, we add in our potatoes. When your potatoes are about 50% done, we add in our peanuts. When your potatoes are done, we add in our onions. And this is the final look of our chicken massaman. So let's see our chicken. glossy and the color is very nice. Potato. Let's give this a taste.
Whoa.
Potatoes are just right. The chicken is nice and tender. I like what the peanuts bring to the table. It have got the crunch, the aroma from the char because we toasted it, and everything is well balanced. You need to give this a try. It's so good.